Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my topic is fingerprint based gender classification. Let's see about the introduction. A fingerprint has generally been used for identification or verification of the person for the official documentation. A fingerprint contains the ridge and valley, which together form the distinctive pattern. A fingerprint biometric trait is one of the important traits working with a good result in the gender classification. Rich this does not change over the time is a unique to a person. Rich is a curved line in a fingerprint image. A valley which constitute a distinctive pattern which is composed of many ridges and furrows. A valley are showed as a white lines in the fingerprint image. The fingerprint when when analyzed at a different scales exhibits a different type of feature called macro characteristics of fingerprint and mini micro characteristics of fingerprint. Let's see about the macro characteristics of the fingerprint. uh, are the global features constituted by the rich pattern and the singularity points. The rich pattern characterizes the shape described by the rich flow. The singularity points are localized in a small region where the rich flow becomes irregular. The micro characteristics of the fingerprint or local features are contributed by the discontinuity of the ridge lines, usually called minutiae point. Usually, minutiae points are grouped into two types. One is bifurcation and termination of the ridge line, as shown in the figure. This figure shows the ridge termination and ridge bifurcation. Next, the position and orientation of the minutiae are claimed to be a unique to each person. Therefore, they are the main features are used in identification process. The performance of the fingerprint feature extraction, feature acquisition, and matching algorithm depends upon the quality of the input fingerprint image. Image acquisition could be as sample as being specified in this image that's already in a digital form. The main objective of our fingerprint based classification is to identify gender using fingerprints. There we train system to classify the male and female based on their fingerprint pattern automatically. Let's move on to literature survey. In the year 2019, the Kipling proposed two methodologies. One is pre-processing methods and feature selection methods. Pre-processing, here the original image is segmented from the training, which guarantees the elimination of noise. The single image is divided into block of 16 into 16 size, and the difference between each block is calculated. And the feature selection method, here we are using several representation are used to access fingerprint similarity. The fingerprint representation can broadly categorized into two types, global and local. Global approaches of the automatic fingerprint matching has been proposed. The most popular one are based on the minutiae pattern of the fingerprint, call it as minutiae based approaches. Local representation consists of several components. Each component is divided into in the form of spatially restricted region of the fingerprint. Typically, the generic representation are used for the fingerprint indexing. Local representation are used for the fingerprint matching. Here, fingerprint matching is having several approaches. There are three main categories. One is knowledge based. This classification on the technique that uses the location of the singular point to classify the fingerprints. Next is structure based. This classification technique that uses the estimated orientation field in the fingerprint image to classify the fingerprints, and frequency based that uses the frequency spectrum of the fingerprint for the classification. And inference in this work proposes to rebuild the fingerprint image from the regular pattern and examines to what extents the built image are related to the unique ones. And next is it gives a result that to rebuild the image is very accurate, that there is a chance to check modern commercial recognition system. Next, second, in 2017, here he proposed minutiae extraction and supervector mission. In minutiae extraction, it's a stage of improvement where the improvement images is converted into binary values in the progression. The fingerprint images is then shaped and minutiae points are removed by using this technique. Supervector mission, it is used to classify the gender from the given fingerprints. The performance matrices like execution time and accuracy for the other techniques used a gender classification classify that thus SVM based on classifies is best choice. And next is inference. The planned technique for the fingerprint angle field rebuilding from the minutiae pattern. The results effect show that our technique can obtain an exact direction field in terms of the exactness of the direction field based on the fingerprint classification and the presentation of the fingerprint matching. Next, in the technique, network, the fingerprint contains the rich and valley, which together form the distinctive pattern. Here, he proposed about the global algorithm, which enhances the forensic measure by proposing the global feature extraction for gender classification. It gives the response to show the new algorithm, and he also gives the higher acceptance for above 70% classification rate when it compared to the manual method. Next, we move on to methodology.
Anuradha, join Sushma ma'am to the meeting.
Yeah, okay. Join Agila. Ma'am have not joined.
Okay, fine.
Shall I proceed, ma'am?
Yes, you continue your presentation.
In methodology system architecture. Here, the unsupervised learning using the neural network training mode applied to a tuples of the combined vectors. Here, database of the fingerprint is in the combined vector. It takes the input and the hidden inputs it takes and gives as the output as a male or a female. The fingerprint are acquired real time. In a first pre-processed fingerprint image will be move on to feature extraction using RC and RT-VTR map readings, and next is feature vector, which will be combined vector by using the neural network model and cluster database of the fingerprint from the combined vector and gives as a output gender. First method we are using is artificial neural network. In our study, we created the artificial neural network for classification of the fingerprint images. The fingerprint are classified using the artificial neural network. Artificial neural network is based on the basis such that it receives a set of inputs called I1 to IN, and this results in a standard start function, which is known as the function of squashing, which permits the output range to some random finite value. Then in mathematically, the inputs are going to multiply it with the weights, and it will be going to check whether it is greater than t. T is nothing but the threshold value. Next we'll move on to minutiae extraction process. The fingerprint image is then shaped, and then the minutiae points are removed by using the techniques given below. The image edges are thinned because because used edges of a single pixel, which is varied from the approximation of neighborhood edge region. As a real fingerprint were collected on the different age groups, different experiments are conducted on the fingerprint internal database sample for minutiae details. Line intersecting points, ridge count, and terminating points in the fingerprint image were extracted. Here the following steps are involved in a minutiae processing. Is first we need to take the input of the fingerprint image, then we need to pre-process the input image, then we should change the image to binary image. Nextly, we should calculate the intersecting point, ridge count, and terminating point, and we should also select the optimal threshold value. Then output male or female fingerprint images. Uh, Next is post processing. The above step of the minutiae points contains the false minutiae because of the ridge breaks, and it is to be removed for minutiae for end so it is stated by the as the pre-processing containing the blocks which have large difference than the threshold value, and it has 0 for blocks with the less differences. The removal of minutiae may occur due to the ridge breaks. Here, for example, the size is used for the minutiae points, which is kept at the center, and then it is tested for calculating the new minutiae points in the block. If new minutiae occurs, that block then each and every minutiae in blocks are deleted. Thus, the minutiae points extracting from the ridges breaks are removed by this procedure of eliminating false minutiae has a risk to very careful of its existence. Next, we'll move on to proposed methodology. Here, we are using normalization. In that normalization, adaptive local mean and variance approaches are used, and orientation field estimation, local ridge detail method has been used. Filtering, direct grayscale filtering based on the Gober function. Here, the Gober filter is a parameter sensitive, depends upon heavily on fingerprint quality of the input. Binarization, adaptive threshold approach, and thinning is used for improved fast change approach, and minutiae extraction uses the crossing number method, and false minutiae elimination it includes distance method. ROI is extracting the region of region of interest, and
Anuradha,
mm,
Sushma ma'am is asking
yeah.
her to join to the meeting. Just allow her to join.
She haven't joined.
She is messaging in like WhatsApp group.
It's not showing to me now.
Make me as host.
Very first thing, why you guys always enable waiting room? Can't you schedule your meeting without waiting room? Why everyone should ask you for permission to get into this session? It is open for everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you enable waiting room? First resolve the issue with Sushma madam. Allow her to get in.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Have you allowed Sushma ma'am to the meeting? Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start now.
Next is experimental result. Here we are going in the first figure. We are showing the pre-processing image, and next we'll take the input of the image. Next is that input images will be converted to binary image. Next, the thinned image. Next is minutiae extraction. Lastly, we are going to classifying using ANN. Next is application. The gender classification and identification based on the biometric applications are designed for e-commerce, like individual validation for system security, web-based business, internet, get to web-based keeping money, ATMs, library, and virtual learning, and e-governments like digital mask, nationwide ID cards, car drivers, etc., and scientific applications like criminal examination, and social and authority correspondence, and web-based business, like singular approval or ID for the framework, logical applications for the instance, criminal assessment, various social and definite correspondence. And let's move on to advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: convenience, it's identifying the right individual among the more people. Security, it's almost impossible to spoof the fingerprint technique number with the fake ones. And reliability, it increases the reliability of the human identification. Privacy, the biometric data is only accessible by the person who we have permitted. Efficiency, by making the work focuses more acceptable and reliable. Disadvantages is expensive, since they need to use the different devices that have a range of cost. Next, conclusion. uh, as the fingerprint are unique for the individuals in a universe, it gives a unique identification, and there is no doubt that fingerprint evidence is most acceptable and reliable evidence. Most of the traditional method used in identification of the gender gave the satisfactory result by efficient attempt with the higher accuracy. Clarity of image, frequency, domain analysis, singular value, decomposition technique, etc., will be play a very important role, and then that increases the efficiency. And still, there is a scope of work on this improve the result. The image based method includes the methods involving the optical correlations and transform based has been still a significant research field. uh, Next is future scope. We can use the different techniques for which gives the enhancement result, and here we can give the robust features will be investigated for gender estimation from the large scale fingerprint image data, and minutiae extraction finds the diplomatic features. We can use different techniques which enhances the result, and the gender classification can be more suitable, and age classification we can use by RT-PCR for the age classification, and the blood classification can be done in future. The scope of our project is wide in recognizing the suspects in criminal activity. Uh, I'm going to refer these papers. I have referred these papers. Thank you.